adhd, Gucci Supreme. Saturday morning now. Actually, it's past noon and I just let myself sleep in today because it's a dreary day. It's really rainy. It's almost as if like the sun didn't ever come up. So it kind of felt like night when I woke up. I did a little bit of morning pages and just made some breakfast. The rest of the afternoon, I'm gonna spend doing kind of a deep clean of my house because it's really desperate at this point. I'm also trying to get really hydrated today, stay really hydrated. I have a tendency to get really dry in the winter, and like right now I'm feeling it really hard. You know, the whole dry skin thing, but then also like you kind of feel like a raisin, like you kind of just feel like the juices in your body are just like sucked out of you. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now. So I'm trying to focus on hydration, taking an electrolyte every couple of hours, eating anti-inflammatory foods. I think I'm gonna make myself some green tea, maybe some ginger tea as well, because those both have anti-inflammatory properties. And I have to admit, part of the reason why I'm trying to be really hydrated today is because I'm supposed to go out tonight for a friend's birthday. It's gonna be quite an adventure, so I'm hoping that I can like reduce the effects of that as much as I possibly can. So it'll be a really productive day, just getting a bunch of cleaning up done, self-care done. It's just like a care and keeping of my home and myself day. I don't think I'm gonna leave the house until it's time to go out. Let's get into it. So I just finished up with cleaning. I spent like 4 hours this afternoon in going through each room of the house. I don't think I've literally ever cleaned my bathtub before, so that was very needed. But yeah, so the house is clean, but I'm really dirty, so I really need to get myself cleaned up and in shape to go out tonight. I'm staying over at the place that I'm going, so I need to like pack an overnight bag as well. Basically tonight, my friend booked a hotel for us to stay in just as a little treat for her birthday, so that'll be kind of fun, something different. Only thing left from cleaning that I need to do is take out the trash and the recycling, which I think I'm just gonna do on my way out tonight. Hair is herring. I'm about ready. I just have my favorite gray tights and Mary Jane heels and a black skirt and black mock neck. Went with a couple braids tonight. I've been like in a fight with my hair all day, so this is what I'm gonna do. Bro, I don't know what I've been filming recently, like if anything, but I'm ready to go. I'm headed out. I'm gonna go meet up with my friends. It's so rainy out right now. So I wanted to just give a little update. I had a really great weekend, had a lot of fun hanging out with friends and going out, and we ended up doing karaoke and all of that. It was really fun, and we stayed over at this hotel that my friend had booked for us. But in the process of the night out, ADHD plus alcohol, I somehow ended up losing my phone. So I wasn't able to film anything past a certain point, and then also like the past couple of days because I've just been phoneless for the past couple of days. Yeah, but I finally got my phone back. I had to like DM the bar on Instagram and then like just make a whole trek out there. No one answered the door when I was knocking on the door, so I literally had to like walk to a nearby coffee shop with my laptop, get on the Wi-Fi on my laptop, call and text people in order to like call and text the bar. I finally was able to get in touch with them, and they were stood outside the next time I attempted to walk in. So it was really helpful. They were really nice. So I don't think I'm the first person to have had that problem. So I just did like a little retrieval of my stuff from the weekend. Thank God it's President's Day today. It's a long weekend, so I was able to fix my mistakes from the weekend before having to like literally start a whole new work week. Yeah, it was a really nice night besides all of that. And I'm also very used to kind of being in situations where I lose all my stuff, and I just know that the things will find me when they need to. I just kind of take it as it comes nowadays because I know that me being me, like I'm gonna have things like that come up. I've learned a lot of patience from the process of like being myself and losing things all the time. So yeah, moving on. I think I'm just gonna continue vlogging the early part of this week, and we'll see what goes down. What did I do today? Actually did some thrifting because I really want like a wardrobe refresh right now, but I didn't actually get anything because I think my standards for clothes are really, really high right now. And like nothing I found at the thrift store today was like perfect, you know? There were a couple things that were like pretty good, but I was not about to buy something that was just pretty good that I kind of in the back of my mind knew I was gonna get rid of 6 months later. But it was very therapeutic to just like look through everything and try on some stuff. And there was this really cute dress that like for a second there I was like, oh my gosh, is this my little black dress moment? And it was a little too small, but the cut was really nice. It was really cute, but just didn't quite fit right, alas. I already have a lot of things that I really love. I'm very kind of cognizant of that, and like if I don't like things as much as I like the things that I already have, then like why would I get it, you know? I just have started unpacking my groceries. I'm gonna cook some gochujang noodles, which are basically spicy Korean noodles with tofu. As per usual, it's a Rainbow Plant Life recipe. I love her so much. It'll actually be my first time making this particular recipe, but it looks pretty simple. So it's about 8:30 now, so it's kind of late to get started cooking, but after the thrift store, I went to the gym too. So I had push day, and I had to make it to the gym. I just had to. I think this week I'm gonna try and go every day and just not not miss any days because it's just been kind of inconsistent recently. Got my noodles here. The only thing I'm missing is the tofu, which is still baking right now, but I wanted to eat because it's getting kind of late, and I think I'm just gonna throw the tofu in later and eat it kind of separately. I don't know. I also got these mochis as a little treat for dessert. I'm gonna eat a couple of these as well.